and welcome to Hot Curries again. Today we'll make three kinds of donuts. One is the glazed donut, which is the traditional method of making donuts. The second one is the sprinkles funfetti donuts, and the third one is the silky texture donut. So let's begin with the recipe.